Hello everyone, my name is Anna and I'm a fitness trainer. Glad to see you on my channel. Today I will show you another good exercise for the front of the pig. Let's start!
We will work on the front of the thing 3 exercise. We will need blocks and knee pads. Take the starting position, sitting on the right leg, bend the left leg out of knee at a right angle, and perform a rotation with you, as well as tilts to the right, left, forward, back. The next version of the exercise is for a more professional level. The starting position is the same, but we take the left leg by the toe and pull it as far as possible to the buttock. The last version of the exercise for professionals. When we have reached the buttocks with the sock, we lower the sock below the level of the buttock, putting the leg slightly to the center.
Subscribe to my channel, like, and see you in the next video.